Franz, could you try to break this glass, please? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Well.
What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and yes, coming at you all with another video. So, if you haven't seen it already, you probably live under a rock, but Tesla unveiled their new Cybertruck concept. And of course, the internet has now lost their minds, and I feel like I'm the only person left who hasn't made a video about it. Now, of course, I can go on and on about the Cybertruck and how ugly I think it looks or how cool I think it looks. You know, in other words, I'm just gonna go ahead and get that out of the way. Kind of ugly. I can't wait to see the production version because I really hope Tesla is trolling us. But Lego then decided to step in and basically troll Tesla even more. And the Lego version of the Cybertruck I actually think is really cool. So Lego put out a little ad on Facebook to say, here is our Cybertruck. And it's literally, they just took a 2x4 standard Lego brick, and it looks like they just put wheels on it, and I guess they photoshopped in lights. I don't know exactly how they rendered that, and that's the Lego Cybertruck. And if anything, I think that looks way better than Tesla's Cybertruck. And of course the response was that it just ended up looking better, and the internet loved it. And I grew up with Lego a lot, so for me, that is pretty cool. Now, of course, I even decided in the aftermath of this, I made my own Lego version of it, and trying to get back into doing that. Of course, I didn't do the same as what Lego themselves did with just the brick with wheels. I tried to do a little more detail than that. But of course, the concept is pretty simple. Just here it is. Here's the Cybertruck, trying to make fun of just how simple and edgy the design is. And I mean, everybody's making fun of the Cybertruck. However, joke's on them, because Elon Musk is laughing all the way to the bank as he takes in, I don't even know what they're up to right now, at least 200,000 orders for the Cybertruck. It's not as beautiful as the Mustang I've got behind me, although I still think it's I think it might be about on the same level as the Mustang Mach-E. That's a whole different ball game right there. But this new Cybertruck, it's gonna be a game changer, I think, in any case with trucks, just because the looks, because it's gonna be the first kind of series production electric truck. Now, turns out there in the past, in years past, 1998, I believe, Ford did an EV Ranger, and Chevy at one point did an EV S10, and both of which were only for fleets and could only be leased. So, of course, Elon Musk coming out with the Cybertruck, this is sort of the first production vehicle for the masses, not just for a fleet customer. Now, GM, of course, is not very well known for their EVs. You had the famed EV1 as massive failure, and currently they've got the Bolt, which just hasn't really sold at all. Nobody even really knows about the Bolt. In fact, you start talking about the Bolt, and don't you mean the Volt? No, the Bolt, different than the Volt. So, I think this is going to wake up the American automakers just a little bit more, because if it has potential to hurt truck sales. Because you got the F-150, which sells, like, I believe about 1 million units per year. You've got the Silverado, which sells like 800,000 a year. GMC then sells another 150, 200,000 a year. So combined, GM sells total 1 million trucks a year. Then you got Ram, formerly known as Dodge. They sell about 500,000 per year. Still don't know how. They're honest junk. No offense to any Dodge guys, but, you know, sorry, Rams just do not cut it. Fords barely cut it. Even though I own a Ford, I can say this. But it just has potential with this Tesla Cybertruck. It's at least going to outsell the Toyota Tundra in terms of sales. And I think if it starts to take a good bite out of full-size truck sales, then this Cybertruck has real and honest potential to really push the American automakers to get into the EV market. Personal opinion, I might be an internal combustion fan. I'm definitely a manual transmission fan. However, I think EVs really are going to be the future in terms of just engineering alone. For instant torque, once they work out the range issues and how to charge one, EVs are going to take over. So this Cybertruck, we all are laughing now, but one, let's wait until we see the production version, because hopefully it will not be nearly as angled. So some of these memes just will not be true, I hope. And then for two, let's see if it lives up to the expectations, the bulletproof windows aside.
It didn't go through. So that's a plus side.
Let's try the right.
Try that one, really? Okay. Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through.
You know, it kind of really was a famous failure now for Elon Musk with that bulletproof window deal. At least to the Lego version, probably will be a little bit more robust. At least if you step on it, it'll definitely be a lot more willing to hold up to everything if you step on it. So yeah, don't step on the Lego Cybertruck. Yeah, definitely. I know, y'all seen my version now. Hopefully everyone will enjoy that, because I definitely do want to get back into Legos in addition to getting back into YouTube. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Lego Cybertruck, or even just Cybertruck in general, because you know, I daily drive a truck. So yeah, let me know what you all think about that. If you liked this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm trying to bring you all the news as well, and as I mentioned in the last video, I now no longer work every weekend, so hopefully I'll be able to put a good number of Cars and Coffee in videos and car shows. But anyway, take care, have a good day.